Here's a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. Having a family means dealing with surprises. This Grand Caravan was designed to handle the unexpected by delivering craftsmanship fueled by innovation. And it comes with all the amenities you need: wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, 3 12-volt power outlets, leather bucket seats, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, and power heated mirrors. New car test drive highlights: the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super Stow and Go, works superbly well for a fairly simple invention. It's a masterpiece. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.